Okay, I'm going to change the DC power connector because the laptop won't charge up. So there are these screws here that I'm going to have to remove in order to get to the DC power adapter. And I'll remove one on camera and I'll just remove the rest off camera so that you know, it'll just take too long. So I'm gonna remove one on camera. So that's one. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more to remove, but I'll remove them off camera so it won't take so long. You have 2 more screws here, 1, 2, that you have to remove right there and right there. Okay, next you have to take the keyboard out. So, got this guy out, keyboard, pulled it out. So now you just lift this guy up, pull this ribbon out. So you have the keyboard out. Okay, so next you have 4 screws you have to remove. 1, 2, 3, 4. They have arrows by them, so that's how you know which 4 to remove. And I'll remove one on camera and then remove the other ones off camera. So I remove one on camera, I'll remove the other 4 off camera so it won't take so long. But there are arrows by the screws so you'll know which ones to remove. The 4 screws. Okay, so once you remove the 4 screws, there are 2 more ribbons you have to remove. So you just lift this guy up. You can remove that ribbon, and you lift this guy up, and you can remove that ribbon. So now I need to take off the top of the laptop so I can get to this, and I'll do that now. Okay, so then you just take this guy off, and you have everything exposed here. So it's pretty much how to take off the top of the laptop. So